Merry Christmas! Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a really fun video. It's basically me unboxing my package from what I got for Christmas. Because Christmas was a few days ago and it was really fun. I'm really grateful for my family, for my friends, and all my loved ones. And most importantly, I'm grateful for Jesus Christ who came and saved our lives. So without further ado, let's begin. So for context, before Christmas, I and my family and my friends, we did Sacred Santa, which is basically someone picks your name and then they have to get you what you want, which is a wish list. And for my wish list, I wanted a new camera for YouTube, of course. I wanted clothes and jewelry, and my sister picked me. So we're gonna be seeing what she got for me. I'm so excited. And look at this! This is so big. She got me so much, bro. Guys, I'm so happy because my sister, oh my gosh. And then there's a little note here. One thing about my sister, she loves me, but she's never gonna like tell me face to face. But this is so sweet. First, she got me a new camera. Look at that. A new camera for YouTube. So basically most of the gifts in here I've seen them, but some of them I haven't really like seen them, and like because we're really herring that night, and so I couldn't like see them and enjoy their goodness. So today I'm gonna be seeing them with you guys and opening them and looking at them and looking at what it's in it. So cute. Oh my gosh. This is so nice. I wonder how much she spent. This is so cute. I love the camera. I just need to figure out how to use it so guys, next thing on our list is this jacket. Bro, I love this so much. This is so cute. It's like a handless jacket. I don't know how to call it, but it's like a vest. Yes, that's how to call it. It's so cute. I love it so much, bro. I've been wanting this jacket forever. I'm telling you, my sister knows me and she knows here. Next thing we're gonna be unboxing is this pants. Look at that. It's so cute. I love the pants. It's so cute, bro. I love it so much. Next thing is this sweater. Like seriously, like look at this. Look at this. And then look at the back. It says faith over fear, and then it says the Bible verse, the Lord is on my side. I will not fear. What can man do unto me? This is so cute. I love it so much. And it has like, guys, look at that. It's so cute. Look at the back. Oh my gosh. Bro, guys, I really love this sweater. And if you know me, anything that has like a Bible verse and it can preach about Jesus, I love that. Like, look at this. Look at the back. Everyone is gonna be looking at me and have faith over fear, right? Okay, so next thing we're gonna be unboxing is this. Look at that. It's a basket of candy. It's a candy basket. And if you know me, I love chocolate, candy, anything. Look, it has Sour Patch Kids. It's so beautiful. It has Rocket. Look at that. This is one of my favorite candies. Hershey's chocolate. Kit Kat. Kit Kat is like my favorite chocolate of all time. It has it has gum, Skittles. Bro, I love it, bro. I love this is so sweet. Like, so that's it for the candy basket. So cute. Okay. So next, we're gonna be unboxing this. This has some drawers in it. Look at this. So first, I think these are earrings. I haven't seen them yet, so we're gonna see them together. Look at this. Oh my gosh. It's so cute. Oh, oh my gosh, I don't want to cry. Look at that. That's so cute. And then here we've got some rings. We've got more drawers in here. Oh, Blessing went all. If you don't know my sister, she's called Blessing, and look at that. These are like bracelets, I think. And look at this one. It has like pearls on them. That's Blessing. If you're watching this, I know she's gonna watch this and be like, "Privilege, you're so cringe." But whatever. If you're watching this, just know that you did so good. I love you so much, bro. Look, last but not the least in this box is this jewelry. It's a cross necklace. Look at that. Oh my god. I love it. I'm so emotional right now. Let's see what's next in here. So guys, these are the rest of the stuff we've got in here. We're gonna unbox them one after the other. So now, look at this. I have a new phone case. If you know me, you see most of the stuff she's getting me, they're pink. I really love pink. Look at that phone case. Look at that. And she didn't get me only one. She got me two phone cases. Look at this. And this even says a verse. It says verses. Look. The Lord is on my side. I will not fear. Psalms 118 verse 6. It even matches the sweater. It has like bows on it. And it's pink. I love it so much, and I love all the gifts. We're gonna unbox and see what's in it. Get it. So, look at that. There's a note written. It says, "To my sister." It's a note for me, to my sister. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna read it later. And then in it, the necklace. Look at this necklace. It's the prettiest thing ever. Look at that. No, you're joking, bro. You're joking. Bro, I love my sister so much. This is another thing she got me. It says Paige Vine Lip Butter Balm. Wow. And this is winter now, so my lips get a little too dry. It's so cute. And it smells so good. Oh my gosh, I got a new like lip balm. And last but not the least, she got me a new lip liner. This is so cute. I'm speechless right now. I'm so speechless. I'm just so grateful to God. I pray that God should bless my sister, Blessing. And I'm so grateful for all my gifts. Thank you so much, Blessing. Okay guys, that's it for this video. As you can see, my sister clearly loves me so much, even though she's never gonna admit it. But deep down, I know she loves me. And I love all the presents she got me. I'm really grateful to have such a sister like her. Jesus Christ loves you so much. That's why he came on this earth, even though he was God, to die for our sins. And he was born. That's why we celebrate Christmas. So guys, that's it for this video. Please like, subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.